Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security and going straight to Virus and Threat Protection. This is where Defender logs and active protections live. Once done, make sure you are signed in as an administrator so changes stick. You will disable detections temporarily only for a specific threat or real-time scanning. First, locate protection history and the detected item you want to manage. Do not close the app. Leave it visible while you prepare the next steps. You now handle the specific detection. In Protection History, click the entry to reveal details and why Defender flagged it. Once you understand the risk, choose Allow on Device or Restore if this is a false positive. This tells Defender not to remove or quarantine that file. If the UI lacks an Allow option, copy the file path and head to Virus and Threat Protection settings to add an exclusion. Make sure to document the exclusion so you can review it later. You finish by adding the file, folder, or process to exclusions in Virus and Threat Protection settings so Defender no longer flags it. Press Add or Browse, then Confirm. Once done, restart the PC to ensure exclusions take effect and verify the protection history shows the item as allowed. If Defender keeps detecting it, remove the exclusion, run an offline scan, and inspect the file with a trusted tool. This helps rule out persistent malware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.